Hello crafties, my name is Infinity. Welcome to another video. I'm back again with another acrylic pour. This time I am here with pink, purple, and white. I modified my purple a little bit so it's not that same dark, dank purple that we have been using. And I have this fluorescent, very beautiful pink and some flow acrylic. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the pour. I think I'm going to start with purple because I mixed more of that than anything else. Just go ahead and smear that on. I did something odd to my purple paint, so I just want to see what it does when it gets there. I think next I'm going to go ahead and do a few drops of pink. So the inspiration behind this color combo is actually from last week's pour. My mom finally watched a video and she's like, this is the first time I watched one of your videos, which was actually surprising. Ooh, the flow acrylic does not flow. Okay, no biggie. I can just mix that. I do have some paint mixed up over here. I always have a backup. I always have a plan B. So she's like, that was the first video that she watched on my channel and that she found it really cool and she wanted to see these colors mixed together on canvas. I just kind of screwed it up, but not really. Pours are really their own thing. They're not necessarily something you should try to be perfect at. It's really letting the paint do what you should be doing, which I guess that's why some people like them, because you don't have to be a painter necessarily to do a pour. But okay. So she said she wanted it to look like a kind of tie-dye deal going on, and I'm like, okay, I know exactly what liquids to put in my paint to make them look this way. Just kind of helping them out there. Oh, something exciting, guys. Today is the, I want to say the 8th of March. So I ordered some Floetrol, which I'm going to probably be working outside with it. I don't know much about it aside from the fact that it conditions your paint. So that means pouring will be easier for me, because it's definitely something I would like to just incorporate more into the channel. I enjoy it. It's therapeutic, and my analytics are telling me that you guys like it. So yeah, gonna give you guys more of what you want. Perhaps I'm trying to do them every Saturday, but again, I am in college and it's crazy. I live for these reactions. Look at them. I just hope that it means also less dry time. I don't know how it affects the paint in that way, the Floetrol. Geez Louise. That's something to consider. But I am considering doing some pours outdoors. Today I had my 24 by 36 canvas to roll on in the mail, and that made my day. So I'm gonna try to record the commission that I'm doing with one of those, and then I'm also gonna do like a mega pour. You guys get to pick some of the colors or all the colors. I don't know. It'll probably be out in April or May, or even over the summer when I have more time. Probably should have shaken that up, but there's already a lot of thinning liquids in this bottle, so probably just started dissolving on its own. Who knows? I tried to do tie-dye, Mom. It didn't work. I'm having to rotate the board, but these are some beautiful colors that are coming together with this. I might need more pink. It spreads nicely. I can see where there's a little texture in the pink. I probably should have mixed that more, but that's okay. It's too bad I hadn't done this, or the spontaneity, right? It's too bad I hadn't done this while I was shooting my portfolio. This would have been a nice addition. So excuse all my background noise. I know it's loud. So also at this time I am waiting on, whoa crap. I am waiting on my computer that I ordered, and I'm excited for that. That just means quicker rendering time, more storage space for sure, just more power in general. The stuff that I need for streaming and doing these videos, like editing them and all that jazz that you guys don't get to see. I wouldn't mind even doing some live streaming again. I used to do it years ago and I stopped. But now that I'm getting back into my art stuff, I am just amped and ready to go. And wanting to... This kind of looks like a Rorschach. Could never pronounce that. Rorschach test. Cool. I don't know. I kind of don't want to swick the paint around like I normally do. But I also want it to move. So, little sacrifice there. Rest of my pink. Cool. A little more white. This is going to be longer than 10 minutes, I think. Look at these. Oh, gosh. This is probably my favorite. Like, the Royal Veins one was my favorite. It still is one of my favorites. The blue, purple and gold one. But this one is actually quite gorgeous. So, thanks, Mom, for requesting these colors. I know it doesn't sound like I'm ecstatic, but I am. And me concentrating as I talk doesn't mix my mood. Mix with my mood. So I am gonna mix up a little more paint, and I'm gonna start this thing back up when I have more paint to keep this pour going. Okay, crafties, I'm kind of back. I'm just mixing up my purple here, and I'm almost good to go. So maybe one of these Saturdays I will do some art tips. I don't know, because I think it's kind of fun to know some hacks and tips about how to get your stuff to act right. And sometimes media can be kind of fickle and not do what you want it to do. Like how to fix accidentally buying tempera, how to get it to be glossy and shiny and not flaky and all that. I look forward to growing and doing all that with you guys. It's going to be just amazing. I'm coming up with all these awesome freaking ideas and just wanting to do them all at one time. Is that glue on my hip? Just wanting to do them all at one time. I also have hot glue everywhere because of this crazy project that I kind of did to myself. It was an assignment, but I also did it to myself. So, this purple, I actually put a little extra of the deep violet or something in with this super violet color that you see in here and in here. And so it's a little lighter this time. But I'm also running out of this, so I could try it. Should I just do a whole video on mixing paints? No talking, just me stirring paint to cups and dishes. That's a new aesthetic. Okay, now it's more like a Barney purple, you know. Oh no, it's darker. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to pouring and stop talking so much. But okay, I lied. Let me know what you want to see, because I'm always amped to do that. This video probably going up tomorrow. So yesterday's tutorial, we're gonna say, it wasn't even a tutorial. There was just a video about me getting my face molded and plastered, and it was the most amazing thing that I've ever done for my artwork, you know. Okay, this time there's a little more chemical content in my pink. Probably because I was talking while I was stirring my purple. But I wanted it thin enough, but sometimes you can make this stuff too thin, which is not what you want. But these paintings are cool, I'd say, for fairs and events where you probably need a big inventory kind of fast. Especially if you're like a lot of crafters I see, they or artists I see, they discover that there's a show coming up, they really want to do it, but they have no inventory. They just have nothing to sell, and so you have to find something quick. And this would be one of those things that you could do for those dollars. Ugh, look at those chemical reactions. They just give me life. I know I'm weird, but that's what makes me wonderful. Yeah, so my pink, this second go round of pink, is actually a little too thin, which is something you'd figure out in the process, and that's okay. Because I have this intense purple that will not thin because of the things that I did to modify it and make it what it is. And that's a-okay by me. Also, another reason I was able to do this week too is because I have nothing to do on my art desk. All of my stuff is either computer based or textiled or something. Could have been mixed more. Where's my white? I put it down and then I reach for it. I may actually start going live too on Instagram. I know there's a number of you that follow me on Instagram, and I apologize for never going live there. So I'm almost done with this painting. So my question for you guys, what makes a painting a painting? Is it just the applying of the paint on the canvas, or is it actual brush techniques and brush marks and all that jazz? What is it to you? And then what does art mean to you? Huh. Cool. I feel like I'm kind of screwing it up, but I also need the paint to move, so sigh. Why am I not using my purple? I don't know. Alright, this is almost a 20-minute pour, guys. I did not mean to keep you all this long, but thank you for tuning in and making it to this point in the video. I appreciate it. Let me know how you liked it by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, answering my question of the day or week or however frequently I should do these, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know how I did. I'm rambling. Hit that notification bell, and so you never miss out on future content. And until next time, y'all, happy making.